Here is a 52-inch brass and copper Casablanca Saturn ceiling fan. Now you guys might be asking, wait a minute, you already did a video of this fan.
I did do a video on the fan, but it will never be uploaded.
True, but I recently found this light kit at Habitat, so I had to do a video of it. It's not a genuine Saturn light. It's just it's a knockoff, but I honestly don't care because it still looks really good on this fan. Has a pull chain. So yeah, start off with demo mode. And I screwed it up like I usually do because I suck with IntelliTouch. Let's try this again. And I did it wrong again.
Just to clarify, I did it correctly, but the fan was simply going the wrong direction.
Alright, third time's the charm. No, it's not. Need to reverse it. Then power it off. Let's go again.
Y'all ready for this?
Yes! I got it. Man, I suck with IntelliTouch. As you guys clearly see, it looks way better than that other light kit. I actually have it. It's right here. And a remote receiver was attached to it somehow. This light kit came with a different ceiling fan that is currently hanging in my fan space. That is very generic and that I probably will end up selling. And this fan is back in minor key, in the key that it was in before. I don't get why. It's not acting funny, and yes, that's an easy sign that it's not the original light. But, you know, I get there's one on eBay, but it'd be very, very stupid if I went ahead and bought that because of, and I am going to power it off as soon as the light goes off, and there it goes. Alright, so here's the light by itself. And here's speed number 1. This fan sometimes stalls on low speed, but that is only if those 3 fans are on, and if... No, not that one. That's not the one that's appearing on screen. Or if this fan next to it is running, or if the other fan that is next to it is running. Basically, every single fan in this fan space, if all the others are running and this is on speed 1, it will stall. Very frustrating. Speed number 2. I personally like speed 2 better than speed 1, despite how much I love my low speeds. It's only because of what sometimes this fan stalls, and it's very, very frustrating when it comes to, you know, videos like full display videos or stuff like that. It's something I need to do. Yeah. Here's what is technically medium, but I don't call it medium. And I'll let you watch for a minute on why. And comment down below why.
One eternity later.
Alright, so now you guys know. Here's what I think should be medium, which is speed number 4. The speeds on this fan are good. It's just that speed 3 and speed 4 thing, but you know, it's a 6-speed fan, so you really can't be too mad about it. Or I really can't. I really don't care what you guys think about it. No offense, but I really don't. Yeah, this fan still moves a ton of air, even with this Lycan on there. Here's speed 5. Okay, I just wanted to see if that'll work. Here's high, which is speed 6. There's a decent jump between speeds 5 and 6. I'll give the fan that. Here's the fan with the light on. This would be cool on, just like it is. The reason why I like this Lycan so much is because it's solely for Saturn. As you can clearly tell. And I'm not going to reverse the fan in the video just yet. Or I'm not going to reverse the fan. So yeah, that is going to be it for this video of the Saturn ceiling fan by Casablanca Fan Company with a beautiful Saturn Lycan. Anyway, that's going to be it for this video. Thank you very much for watching.